How to change the screen timeout on Android. This tutorial shows you how to adjust how long your screen stays on before turning off automatically on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Display to open the display settings. From there, tap on Screen Timeout to open the timeout options. At this point, you'll see a list of different time intervals to choose from, ranging from 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes. In the next step, tap on your preferred timeout duration to select it. Following this, if you want your screen to stay on as long as possible, select the highest value available. Finally, go back to your home screen and leave your phone idle to confirm that the screen now turns off after your selected timeout duration. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you change your screen timeout, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.